When we are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, what happens most of the times, or Samsung Galaxy would store your data, everything in Samsung cloud storage, and that would be very much useful to you whenever you lose your data. You can restore it very clearly from the Samsung cloud so easily. How do you do that? We are going to see in this video. If you want to restore the data from Samsung Galaxy cloud or Samsung cloud, you have to get into settings first. If you are using this channel for the first time, subscribe the channel, like and share the video. Without delay, just get into settings here. Upon going to settings, you will find so many options under the settings, and scroll up somewhere. You will find this option for accounts and backup. This is the option for backup, and tap it here on accounts and backup. You'll find all the options like this, and you'll also find like Samsung cloud also backing up your data, and Google Drive also you can back up your data. And since this video is for to restore the data from Samsung cloud, we are under the Samsung cloud option, and the restore data is the option given here. Just tap it here on the restore data. Whatever the data you have backed up, as a process of backing up data from time to time, this would take you from your Samsung cloud. Tapping on here would restore everything, and this is showing all the data whichever they have stored. And just tapping on restore here, this will another time ask install backed up apps. So if you want everything to be installed on your phone, just tap it here, boom, everything would come back to you. You are not at all worried to lose your apps or data, everything on your Samsung Galaxy, because Samsung cloud is storing everything for you. That's how you can restore your data from Samsung cloud. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.